god, this bike is amazing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to day 3 in Srinagar. Today is a Thursday and it's around, what's the time, Akshita? 3:30. It's 3:30. We're going to Shankaracharya hill. It's a temple. Let's go. It looks very pretty online and also there are like a lot of stairs you have to climb on and all of that. But yeah, we just got out. We played some games. I think I'll like put the snippets right after I talk. But yeah, let's go find an auto and go to the temple. We're all dressed. Ready to go. Hi, Aksa. We are going to get a scooty so that we can travel easier. People over here scam so much. So, decided to take our own scooty because we have a long day planned tomorrow.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you.
అది మనం ఎక్కగలమనే ఉంది, నాకైతే మనం చేయగలమనే ఉంది. ట్రై చేయి. అక్షర అసలు చేయగలవా లేదు చూడు. ముందుకెళ్ళిపోని. नहीं चलाना तो दोनों का.
I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off. I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key.
Look at bike and look who's driving. After that's driving. Oh my dear god, this bike is amazing. It's amazing. That is how సౌందర్య లహరి came. అంటే శంకరాచార్యుల వారు రాసింది సౌందర్య లహరి. అలా మనం Hi Akshita. Hello. Here at the Shankaracharya temple. My mom would have been so proud if I sent her these pictures. You know that? We just got done with the darshan. Yeah! My mom was a teacher of Soundarya Lahari. And for people who know, Shankaracharya has written Soundarya Lahari. And if I would have knew that something like this existed, I would have gotten her. I never knew that. I just got to know when we were planning for this. But she would have been so happy. You have no idea. But yeah, I'm happy that I did something that she likes. Look at the sun. It's a very small guha. See? Probably yellow champion. Satya yukto yadi bhavati saktaha prabhavatum nache devam devo nakalu kusalaha spanditumapi atastvam आराध्यं हरिहर विरिचाधिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कदमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवितुम्. I did a little bit of Soundarlahari slokam in the Tapasya Sthal, and it was so quiet, it was so peaceful. Thank you.